Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Celestron Skymaster Astronomy Binocular. With our enhanced Skymaster 20x80, you get massive 80mm objective lenses. This Skymaster is ideal for those who love astronomy binoculars. As an additional convenience to your skywatching activities, our 80mm Skymaster powerful binoculars include an integrated photo tripod adapter for easy hands-free use and portability. The Skymaster is a favorite among those who view in dim conditions near dawn and dusk or for astronomy purposes. Bach 4 prisms deliver excellent light transmission for brighter and sharper image quality. A high-quality yet affordable choice for binocular astronomy or long-distance terrestrial viewing with giant 80mm objective lenses and powerful 20x magnification. A rugged, armored body provides protection and secure gripping surface, ensuring product durability for years to come. Its water-resistant exterior means you won't have to worry about getting caught in unexpected rainy weather. Number 2 in this best binoculars for astronomy list is Meltron Tachyon Astronomy Binocular. Meltron Tachyon 25x100 astronomical binocular is an industrial-strength, field-worthy instrument for astronomy. Giant 100mm objective lenses for high-level binocular astronomy. Individual eyepiece focus system for ultra-precise adjustment. Use the built-in tripod adapter rail for mounting on tripods or monopods for added viewing comfort. Eyepieces accept 1.25-inch threaded astronomical filters. Soft, rubber eye cups are comfortable to use and can be folded down for use with eyeglasses. The rugged, armored exterior provides protection as well as a ribbed and secure gripping surface. Locking metal case, objective lens cap, rain guard, lens cloth, and instruction manual all included. Our third choice is Orion Astronomy Binocular. These refreshingly affordable astronomical binoculars will gobble up photons from night sky objects without eating through your wallet. See the moons of Jupiter, craters and mountains of the moon, and hundreds of deep sky objects from dark skies. These big binoculars are also great for chasing open star clusters, even from less than inky black urban skies. Highest quality Bach 4 Poro prisms, fully multi-coated optics, and internal baffles provide clear, crisp views. See the moons of Jupiter, craters and mountains of the moon, and hundreds of deep sky objects. Long 18mm eye relief allows eyeglass wearers to view comfortably without removing corrective lenses. Includes tripod L adapter for mounted viewing recommended for extended stargazing sessions. For details, let's watch more.
Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes, and these are the Orion Astro binoculars, the 15x70s. This is a nice high magnification, large aperture binocular, good for scanning the Milky Way, seeing the brighter star clusters, the Orion Nebula, the Andromeda Galaxy. All that's within the capability of a binocular of this size. Plus you can use them for some daytime viewing too, long distance surveillance, the room with a view, just a very multi-purpose binocular. It's a little heavy, so you probably want to put them on a tripod to get the most stable view. Well, it comes with an L bracket, so all you need is just a standard photo tripod, maybe something you've got for your camera or your video camera. It's got fully multi-coated lenses, so a nice bright image, even with the same aperture as something else with less coatings. Long 18mm eye relief, and a pretty darn wide field of view for a high magnification binocular. It's 4.4 degrees, so at 15 magnification, you're getting a nice wide field of view, which is great for scanning the Milky Way, as I said. Again, the Orion Astro binoculars, 15x70. Thank you.
Fourth pick in this best binoculars for astronomy list is Celestron 7x50 Astronomy Binocular. The large 50mm objective lenses and multi-coated optics offer amazing light-gathering capabilities that bring celestial objects into bright, sharp focus, making them ideal for comet watching, stargazing, and viewing craters on the Moon. Cometron 7x50's wide field of view lets you explore expansive swaths of the sky to quickly pinpoint exactly the object you want to see, then keeps it in your sights without constant movement. Cometron 7x50's rubberized aluminum housing is durable, lightweight, and tripod adaptable for extended comfort during long stargazing sessions. The binoculars come with a wide neck strap and a carrying case for security, portability, and grab-and-go convenience. A carrying case, objective covers, eyepiece covers, lens cloth, and instruction manual are all included. This binocular is water-resistant for worry-free use in damp conditions. Large 50mm objective lenses have exceptional light-gathering ability, while remaining compact and lightweight enough to hand-hold. It's the perfect combination for binocular astronomy. Our fifth and last choice is ESLINT Astronomy Binocular. With the easy-to-reach control knob on your left hand, it's more convenient and quick to change the magnification from 13x to 39x. Right diopter ring can be adjusted to meet different vision requirements between two eyes. Astronomy binoculars with smartphone adapter and tripod adapter, phone adapter with rubber sucker, which can 180-degree angle and length adjustment, is easy to set up and take images. Tripod adapter for steady, hands-free viewing. Giant astronomy binoculars provide high-resolution images with fully multi-coated optics. This minimizes the loss of light due to reflection, thereby ensuring a more natural, clearer view. Fully multi-coated 70mm all-optical glass objectives offer light transmission for great brightness in low light and long-range conditions, which is higher contrast images and reduces color errors and distortions. Crystal clear vision is possible with 70mm large lenses and FMC prism. This combination allows for an excellent brightness-power ratio for clear and comprehensive vision. 70mm fully multi-coated lens ensure better light transmission. It offers better image brightness in low light and long-range conditions. You should focus easily and gradually from the lowest magnification to the higher one. For details, let's watch more.
you